Hello everyone, my name is Abu Bakr Seem and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to create a program to find the factorial of a number, but we are going to do it using a function. So first, we'll be discussing about a factorial. A factorial of a number is, let's suppose we want to find the factorial of 5. So you can also calculate this on your calculator. The factorial is 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, which is equal to 120, I think. And if you want to find the factorial of 6, it is going to be 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. You have to remember one thing, that in this the factorial it can only be calculated of an integer. We cannot calculate a factorial of a floating point number. First thing. Secondly, factorials are always integer. First, we have to create a function, and then we will be creating the main. We will be calling the function in the main program. So, as I have said that the factorial is always an integer, so its return type is going to be integer. If yeah, so integer is the input. Now we have to name the function. I'm going to name it factorial. The rules for naming a function is same as the rules of naming a variable. So you have to follow those rules. Factorial, and we have to find a factorial of a number. So there is going to be only one parameter. Now, what we are going to do here is that we will be um, creating a variable whose name is result, and its initial value is going to be 1. I have told in a video that whenever you have to multiply something again and again, you have to start its value by 1 to update the value of that variable. So that's why I have assigned it 1, because we have to multiply again and again. That's why we'll be using loop. So while loop is the loop that we are going to use, and it is starting from number and it is ending to 1. So let's create a variable int I is equal to number, and I is greater than equal to 1. So that's the logic that we have created for this function. Result is equal to result multiplied by I. The number is going to be multiplied again and again, and until it reaches 5, and here we are going to do I minus minus. At the end, we are going to return the result. Now let's call this function in the main program. So int number and printf, enter a number, scanf, percentage d, ampersand num. After that, we are just going to call the function if int fact is equal to name of the function factorial, and I've called the function, and I'm going to pass number here. After that, we just have to print the result, which is going to be the factorial of percentage d is percentage d. So num and fact are going to be the two variable names that we are going to print. So let's run this program. The output, first we have to enter a number, and the output is the factorial of 5 is what. So we have covered this program before, but today we have done this program by creating a separate factorial function, and we have used while loop. The logic is same, the concept is same. The only thing that I have added here is usage of function. So if there is any question related to this program or anything related to function or C language, you can ask me in the comment section. And there are other videos that will be covering about functions. But so far we have discussed until factorial. If there is any question, you can let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe the channel.